This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying how this specific Casio turns off. Most models have an on/OFF or a Shift plus AC sequence. Once done, make sure the display is responsive so you can test soft shutdown. You should also note the battery type and access to the compartment, because a full power cut may require battery removal. This matters because the steps to disable auto power off or to perform a reset differ by model. Knowing your model name saves time and prevents accidental reset. Now, perform the soft shutdown using the OFF key or the setup menu. You do this to avoid corrupting memory. Once the calculator is off, power it back on and open setup to disable auto power off if you want manual control. This prevents unexpected shutdowns during calculations. Make sure to save any stored formulas or variables to external notes, because subsequent steps like a hard reset will erase memory. If the menu isn't obvious, consult the model label and test common sequences gently. Finally, when a soft shutdown fails, you perform a hard stop by removing the main batteries and the backup cell for 30 seconds to clear residual power. This forces a complete stop. Then, if needed, do a factory reset, but back up variables first because reset erases memory. Once you replace batteries and reboot, reconfigure setup and test basic functions. If the calculator still won't stop or respond, try a fresh button clean, and if that fails, contact service or replace the unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.